तर आज आपण बघणार आहे शॉर्ट वॉवेल्स आय साऊंड CVC वर्ड्स अँड स्टोरी. शॉर्ट वॉवेल आय साऊंड सेज E, IG, ig, IT, it, IM, im, IX, ix, IP, ip, ID, id, IB, ip. First is ig, b ig big, d ig dig, f ig fig, j ig jig, p ig pick, w ig wick. It, it, b it bit, f it fit, h it hit, k it kit, p it pit, s it sit. I am im, d im dim, h im him, w im wim. X, f x fix, m x mix, s x six. Story. P pig in the pit, dig dig dig. See the big pig. The pig has a wick. He is in a pit. The pig has 6 figs. Can the pig do a jig in the pit? Next, I B ip, p ib bib, f ib fib, n ib nip, r ib rip. Id id, d id did, h id hid, k id kid, l id lid. In, b in bin, p in pin, t in tin, w in win. Ip, h ip hip, l ip lip, p ip pip, z ip zip. New words seed seed and ARER. Seed is a kid. He has a tin. A nip and a pin are the tin. A beep is on the seed. Seed is by a bin. The bin has a lid.